Exterior painting is a part of our projects in residential and also commercial. And as you can see, this house has actually been rolled out, just being cut in right now. Pretty big house. This is actually the back of it. I'll go to the front and show you the front and the sides of the house as well. And right back there, you can see that's actually a barn where they would store their boats or whatever. The wood at the back there was actually bad and rotted out. It was all replaced at the bottom where there is a two-tone color, the bottom dark color. We took out the rotted wood and let me walk a little closer here so you can see exactly what has happened here. We took out the bottom rotted wood completely and redid it. And as you can see, these were the pieces that were rotted right from the bottom. So a part of our project is wood restoration, complete restoration. And as you can see, because of the water and moisture, this wood was completely rotted at the bottom. So we took it out completely and restored this barn all the way around. All the way around. Also replaced a lot of this bad wood on it. And you can see it turned out to be a very beautiful project.